Hey YouTube, it's Reggie from Harlem. I'm here today to show you how to upgrade your MacBook Pro while paying hundreds of dollars. To get started, you need a couple of items. One is a number 00 Phillips screwdriver. Looks just like this. I paid $5 on eBay, so it's not that expensive, free shipping. Second, you need to buy your RAM. You get a lot of places online. I got mine from eBay for $80, 4 gigs, so it's two 2 gig sticks. Third, you would need some type of metal to discharge the static, cause that's what could mess up your RAM. You don't want that to happen. Nobody wants that to happen. So. Come on. So most important, you need a MacBook Pro, 2009 model. Back here is where you gonna have 10 screws, and I'm gonna show you how to do it now. You can just set it somewhere. You can set it down now. Just put it in place.
Don't record.
Yeah, keep recording.
I don't put it here.
Yeah, just put it somewhere they can see.
I can't set it anywhere.
Now, what you're supposed to do, because it's different sizes in the screws. You place it exactly how you unscrewed it. So I unscrewed it here, I put it here. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Don't forget that. I'm doing it kind of fast. I mean, YouTube, when y'all see this, y'all can just like fast forward this part. This is the longest part. But it's very important for y'all to know that y'all have to unscrew it in an angle and like it straight up and down. The reason I'm doing this is because when I went to Apple and told them I had RAM, they tried to charge me $50 just to install it. I could really do it myself. It's very easy, it's not hard. So I should just do it. 7, 8, 9, 10. All that you're gonna do is lift it up. Put it away. Now see, right here, you can zoom in a little bit. You got two latches right here. What you want to do is just go like this. It's gonna pop right up, right up. See? Just set that right here. And see the second one is right there? Same thing. Just lift it, pops right up. For this one. Alright. Now I got my RAM. Too good. Put that in an angle. Lay down. What? What?
You don't use a quarter?
No, I already did it. I don't keep doing it. It's always a little tricky. There we go. There you go. Sit right down. When you put the RAM in, you gotta put it in an angle. And like you just put it straight in. But it's not that hard. Again, don't feel discouraged. It's easy. ABC. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Same thing for this RAM. Gotta put in an angle. Alright. Now the RAM is in. The only thing you gotta do now is put it back on, screw it, and after that, you can press power and you can start from there. So, thank you YouTube. I just taught you how to upgrade your MacBook Pro RAM. See you next time.